Perfect, 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 perfect.
Hello everybody, it's Andre J. Mcclendon. Welcome to the Andre J. Mcclendon Show. Today I'm going to be going over the weekly news wrap-up for this week to see what things has happened and what do I think is going to happen next week. This is going to be my first video sharing my screen with this new software with Power Director, so check it out, guys. I'm going to be going over a bunch of charts, so no more slideshow. It's just going to be me showing you live charts at the time. Alright, we'll jump into it. 26,000, and I'm on investing.com. So on investing.com, we hit this full screen mode. I always go to the candlesticks and go to the daily. So obviously had a huge pullback from this right here to here, and now it's making some support right here. And right now, obviously, it's an up, move up. And for me personally, I'm not giving you advice. This is what I think. It's going to hit this 26,000, basically 26,200 level, and break past that, maybe a couple corrections, but ultimately get back to the 26,800 level right here. And that may take a couple days, but I think it's an overall trend, daily trend right now. What I like about the US 30, it moves so fast, and it's really good for scalping, really good for overall trading, and it's one of my favorite things to trade outside commodities. So little boxes out, and it'd be typically like this range right here. So typically it should hit this area, either bounce back down, retrace, and overall, or just break through. But my personal thoughts on it should be hitting this level again, and possibly causing make a new trend up. Let's go over here, go to the higher time frames. Now we're on the weekly, or on the daily now. I'm sorry, we're on the weekly. Say triple top, either triple top break down lower, or triple top retracement and then breakthrough, or it can be possible just breakthrough. Alright, so that's what I think with the Dow, but that's all temporary. I think it's a temporary high, and before the overall down move that I believe that the markets will be going down to. Well, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so our next thing is crude oil. Woo, man, oil's been a beast. So right now, oil's sitting at $60.20 per barrel. Alright. Its 52-week range is $42.36 to 76.9. So let's check it out. We'll zoom in, get some stuff. We'll start off on the daily. I trade oil pretty much every single day. I love trading oils a lot because there's no swaps. So you can hold positions a little bit longer if you're incorrect and not get penalized for it. And I've been trading gold. I've been trading oil since this position here, having multiple entries up. Right now we're consolidating and slowing down. Especially at this support levels right here. Boom, boom, boom. But I think we're ultimately going to break through this level and definitely high up much higher. So I'm just putting more positions in there heavy. But remember, I'm not telling you what to do, just telling you what I am doing. And when it comes to this right here, I mean, we can easily throw a Fibonacci on here to see where the 76 level was at, or 78, the kill zone. But that's a long way. It's a long way, especially from oil. The oil's not such a fast mover. It's a fast mover down right here, but it's typically like the normal stuff, very slow, fast moving down. But this is manipulation stuff right here. Make it get pushed away. So let's check out the monthly, see where oil's at. Look at that. Real big push up. Good 3-month push. Maybe 6 months up to here. Back to 73. But we shall see. Our next one is gold. Now gold in the last few days has been rocking, man. It's been doing real good. So gold's at basically almost at 1,300. Low for the year, 52 weeks. I mean, it's 1,182. Almost up to the high of 14. Let's check this out. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. All right, here's gold. We're still at the daily. So, actively trading the gold, I took this personal short down, and I'm a current pop up right now. I hope the support holds and doing it a little bit higher, but if it doesn't, it should break down and just head down much lower. Same thing for silver. Silver's at a support level right now, and I don't know if it's going to hold, but it seems like it's going to break through and head down to a much lower level. But right now for gold, if gold breaks this almost $1,300 line and heads down lower, you can see it maybe slowing down and then heading to here and staying at this resistance level. I'm sorry, this is hitting this resistance level to making new support. So if it does something like that, some good shorts, shorting right there for especially for scalps, and those scalps can be returned into a long-term trade. You have multiple entries. All right. So that's gold. I don't want to do any long-term projections for gold. My long-term projection for gold is always more, but for the next couple days, I'll say much lower, maybe 1255, 1256, and if it breaks down that level and head lower, I think we ultimately can go down to the $1,200 line. If it does the $1,200 line, it will be a lot of buying power. Probably a lot of people trying to push it up, push it back out of that level. Our next one is silver. Now, there's a couple of things that are negative. There's some positive and negatives when trading silver and gold, especially on the spot markets. Trading silver and gold, the swap is pretty heavy, unlike oil. So the swap will affect you if you trade long term. So for me, I trade silver very, very, very long term, and I have to put in multiple entries repeatedly just to not increase my swap amount. Alright, so let's bring this open. Like I said, support's doing, I don't know, 15 minutes. Let's go back to the daily. Silver's in the same position, bouncing off this, so this resistance level making new support. And we definitely can see that that this might push back up to higher highs, our new highs right here to make at these resistance levels, or break down lower and ultimately go back to the 14. I hope it goes to the 14. Oh my God, it would be the best day. It would be one of my best trading days ever again. Head down to the 14s, and it'd be massive buying on all sides. Commodities, it would be ETFs, it would be hit up on the bullion markets. Oh man. So silver cheap is silver happy for me, but I think silver's going to be extremely blown up in the coming years. But for the coming days, like next week, if it respects this support level, you can easily see it hitting this resistance level, retracing a little bit, and then ultimately going back up to here, to the 16s. If not, if it breaks down at the support level and goes through 14s, low 14s destinations, but that's a good thing for me. All right. Our next one, we're going to be dealing with crypto. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $4,158. And let's zoom in a little bit. Let's go to the 52-week range. 3,216 for the low and $9,990 for the high for the 52-week range. Let's check it out. So I don't trade cryptocurrency that much. I do, and it looks like for me easy potential gains. But for the most part, I don't mess with it. But it depends on what if the group wants to trade it, let's trade it. So right now, crypto on the daily, Bitcoin on the daily, you see this massive push down, obviously, and these good support entries that people with higher amounts of money or actually pretty much everyone's been buying at these key levels here, 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 and here, and that to me, with all that buying pressure, or the buying power right there, is going to definitely pull through all this zone, and I have to say ultimately head back to the high 6,000s. And that seems more like the trend right now. It's making a cupping or that. We got this breakout, consolidation, breakout, or consolidation, breakout, consolidation. We should be seeing a breakout soon. I don't think breakout down. I think it should definitely be filling this up. Long term for crypto, I have no idea. I mean, I trade crypto very rarely. I mean, I've been mining crypto for a couple of years now, but that's about it. I just have to I think crypto is always going to go lower. Just personal opinion, but I just don't have much faith in crypto. It's a good way to make money. And our next one is Litecoin. Litecoin right now sitting at $60.16. 52-week range, $22.24 to a high of $182.35. Let's zoom in. All right. Let's knock this out. All right, make it big. Hit the daily. So same thing for Litecoin. Litecoin is definitely made some strong support levels right here and some massive breakouts, especially for this. And it's been doing the triple amount since the 20s. So, man, if you're investing in Litecoin, you buy in the 20s, man, you are sitting pretty right now, sitting real good. But we'll see where Litecoin's going. It's kind of flattening out ish. Been doing some consolidation, and I really think at this consolidation level, it's going to definitely go higher. Like strong tell that this is definitely going to go higher. Let's see where we think we can go. Let's go to the monthly. Wow, look at that. Look at that push up. I mean, I have no idea where crypto's going to go. It's not, man, you can respect some levels or not, but it seems like it could go higher. I mean, I don't invest in it like that. I'm not in Litecoin like that. So for you guys who are trading it, just drop a comment below to see what you think, or tell me what you guys think about where it's going to go or where it's going to head to. All right, and our last one is to go over some things with trading. So just some news, all that gunk. All right. So one thing I want to talk about outside the markets, those specific markets, is some international things. So right now, if you invest international when it comes to stocks, individual stocks, Korea stocks and Hong Kong stocks right now, I've been personally looking at a lot of their passive cash flows or stocks for dividends, and they have been going up pretty good. So if you invest overseas, I tell you some good, and you're coming from the dollar, it's cheap time to buy. I love buying in other countries' currencies because it's like a double bonus. You're buying it cheap, you're buying it cheaper because it's in their currency, so you're just making it even better for yourself. You know, it's just even easier. So, okay, guys. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns about trading, just drop a comment below. I know this video is a little bit extra long, but I'm recording my screen for the first time, so give me some feedback on it. Also, if you guys more about trading, go to AndreMcClendon.com and click Trade with Andre. And also, if you guys want to do talk about business stuff, comment below, like, share, or just hit me up on social media. That's it, guys. You guys have a beautiful day. Have a nice weekend, and I'll see you Monday trading. All right. See you later.